So 3.
Hand tossed pizza. Yeah! The ingredients we're going to use today on the pizza.
Some mushrooms. It's green bell pepper, our red, yellow, red onion, our habanero pepper, our nice red sauce, pepperonis. Look at that dough.
And that's about it. Yeah. 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 Chopping it up. Habanero. They should call them hot-neros because they're hot. Should I wipe my face? I bet you'd like to see that.
So don't stick to the counter.
Woo! You thought I was kidding, huh?
Give it a good mix around. Give it a good mix around.
Next thing is mozzarella cheese. Woo! Looking pretty.
It's okay to pad that shit down. Pizza pie.
Oh, yeah.
Out of the oven.
Let's go ahead and give it a try, huh? Oh, yeah. That's good with them habaneros. Hey! 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 Boy, I can feel the heat already. My hair's starting to sweat. Thanks for joining us this week on Punk Rock Cooking Show. I'm gonna eat another bite. Seriously, that's really good. Well, that's it. See you next week, kiddos.